The Medeci Ultra Bath Seat, before fitting it to the bath, it needs some basic assembly. This is the underside of the top section, this is the base frame, and these are the four legs. The legs have a D-shaped section, and they also have these cutouts which engage positively here. The bath seat is intended for one-time assembly. It's not designed to be taken apart again. So the legs I will position in and push down so they give a positive click sound. 2, 3, 4. If I move the base frame out of the way and just turn that. Likewise, I'll insert the legs into the base frame and just push them down so they give an audible click. And that's now ready for fitting to the bath. Like most bath seats, the Medeci Ultra Bath Seat adheres to the bottom of the bath with 4 suckers. Because of that, the bottom of the bath needs to be smooth and it needs to be clean. If you have any texturing on the bottom of the bath, the suckers probably won't adhere correctly. But an additional feature of the Medeci Ultra Bath Seat is that it has a width adjustable top, which can fit to the inside wall of the bath. This is a 12-inch high seat. The bath seat is also available in 6 and 8-inch heights. But basically you want to find the middle of the bath and push down firmly so that the suckers stick to the bottom of the bath. And then with the wheel at the side of the bath seat, if you turn it, you'll find that the top sections adjust out widthways until you get a nice firm fitting on the inside walls of the bath, which just gives the product a little bit of extra stability.